Hello, so welcome to the second part of the audit of the website called Harnham. Last time we were doing the technical part, like what is the issues with the website, how the traffic is coming and everything. Now today let's start with the content part. Okay, so let's go to the blog section in the content part of the web page. I guess this part we already discussed that we have multiple services listed in the single page. I mean, they can easily divide the pages into sections and target more kind of keywords. Now let's dig down to the news blog section, how they are writing the content and everything. In today's time, the content plays a really important part. So it really depends like how much your website will be performing depending on the kind of content you are writing and kind of content you are posting online. Let's see. Okay, they are writing kind of how to break. Okay, let's open one blog and see how they are writing it. 24, 21st, 1st. So 4 blogs in February. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 blog in January. So there I can say they are not that active in terms of the blog posting because the uniform is not there. Like they have posted 1 blog on 12th January and then 1, 2, 2 blogs on 31st of January. So I'm sure, pretty much sure that they are not writing it regularly. Let's see the structure now. Cool. The heading text and description text is kind of optimized. Index author is there. Publisher, they can easily name their website. I'm not sure why they are not mentioning that part. Again, the same issues. Like I'm not understanding why they are not optimizing the header structure and what's the logic behind the menu. Like putting the headings in the menu part. Oh god, they are writing this 2H2 H1. Sorry, they are writing 2H1 tags. I mean, why? Like while answering a question, you don't write 2 times the headings, right? What's the logic of 2 times mentioning the H1 tag? You can simply put one H1 and second as a H2, like the subheading kind of thing. Okay, let's see if they are using any kind of schema, like just to target the news agency and all. Nope, they are not having any kind of news schema. I'm sure they can add some news schema, or at least FAQ schema should work very well in this case. I'm not sure why they are not writing. I mean, even the product rating schema. Oh yeah, let's check for the jobs if they are using any kind of schema. That's another technical part, but let's see if we can find anything. Oh, they are hiring someone. Let's do a new test of the job listing part. Cool. At least they are having a job posting schema. But what's the logic of putting HTML tag and schema? Let's see how it's coming in the Google SEO. Nope, nothing like that. They really need to work on the schema part first. Okay, let's see how the content is also performing. Let's go there and see how we do that. We will go to the SEO mesh for the top pages, because top pages will give us the complete scenario about the which pages are generating the maximum number of traffic. Okay, the maximum number of traffic is coming from the home page. Almost 94-95% of traffic is coming on the home page, and I can see literally no blogs in the top results. That clearly says that how poor the content strategy is and how they really need to buckle up on the content part. Like you can see there's no pages in terms of the traffic part. Also, yeah, one more thing, let's see if they have used the they have multiple websites for USA and other location as well. Again 404. I really think, I mean, if the job listing is getting removed, they just need to redirect to the parent category page. Like let's say in this case the health informative jobs, if they have removed this page post, like job posting, they can simply redirect them to some other page. Yeah, just like now they have done it, but the page which is generating the maximum number of traffic, almost in that category, is not getting redirected. What's the logic behind that? It's really not, I'm not able to understand that part. Okay, let's see what else I can find out. So schema they need to work on. I'm sure they can add few schema here and there. Okay, let's see what is the block structure. So maybe we can find out some if they are writing a good block. Okay, so they don't have a block structure. I mean, they can easily mention the block in the slug, and that way it's easy to track how the block pages are performing. But no worries. That's why we are here, to check if they are performing good or not. So this is the job listing on. Okay, now come the backlink part. How many backlinks the home page have? Five, 10. And let's see the targeted keyword for the home page. I think I should just remove the brand name and see then how many keywords or how much traffic I can get. So somewhere around the recruitment agency, they are ranking on the 12th position, which is very great. I mean, up by 77. Yes, but to be honest, they need to like expand the list of the keyword. These are, I mean, how easy it is to rank for these kind of keyword, like the job posting kind of keyword. It's damn easy. I mean, I'm not saying that it's very easy, like you can do it just this way, but at least it's way easy comparatively ranking for recruitment agency and all. Like these are two generic keywords. They can simply, yeah, I mean, lead engineer, digital analytics manager vacancy or something like that. These kind of, it's easy. These kind of keyword pulling out in the title tag and all, it's easy to rank out for those kind of keywords. I mean, here they have mentioned lead engineer Boston. They have not mentioned it's hiring or job vacancy, because people will be looking for openings. Like they can simply make the title tag as a lead engineer opening or vacancy or something like that. These are the primary words, like the opening and agency or recruitment and hiring. But you are going for the generic term, like it's not a, see, the objective needs to be clear here. Are we just going for the information part, or are we planning to get some leads or apply now button click? I don't have the webmaster or the analytic, otherwise, so I can't predict the exact number of the traffic breakout between the organic, direct referral and all. But to be honest, the organic part, I can see lots of differences. Like they can really work around and get more and more traffic. Yeah, that's for the sure. I mean, see, for the blog section, 2-3 things. One, implement the pillar content strategy. I mean, it's the best in the current scenario. If you are writing the pillar content with a properly well structured format, it's the best thing. Secondly, implement the FAQs, news schema and everything. Just target the Google News. How hard it is to target the Google News section? You can always target the Google News by simply implementing few strategies and writing generic pillar posts and generate more traffic. But I'm not sure why they are not doing it. Okay, let's check sitemap, how they are writing the sitemap part as well. Yeah, I just see they are using the Simply Yoast plugin, job listing, page. Yeah, I mean, it's okay. That's the one thing good, that they are not including the tag and all, so less chances of duplicacy. But in the job, they need to make sure that they are not. See, that's the problem I was telling you. If they keep on removing and adding the rejob of the same kind of, they will get this kind of URL. they can simply optimize this URL by adding the company name, digital analyst London, and then just mention the company name. Why I need to put the numbers? That way you are targeting two things. One, the URL is not changing. Second, the URL, you are targeting the company as well in the URL. Simply. I mean, you can see lots of like 4, 6, 2, 2, 6. All the variation at the end of the URL just simply represent that there was already a page and they are the secondary page. They can simply add the company name there and solve these issues. Okay, they have quite a good service pages. I mean, they can optimize a little bit more. Oh, yeah, they have the categories, tags. I was just thinking that they are thank God they are not using, but no, they are using it. They are bloody using it. Okay, so why I don't like the tag or category kind of strategy? Like adding this kind of tag, it gives us like two options. First, they use the crawl limit. Like they use the exhaust our crawl budget because there are multiple tags, and while the content writer don't, when they are posting the content, they don't think about that how many tags they are putting it. So they will try to, they won't, instead of making just one tag each time, they will try to increase more and more tags, and that way increase the tag URLs, and the tag URL will represent the same thing which is already there in some other listing, blog listing page. So it's kind of two issues. One, if you are not providing the canonical tag, it will be creating a little bit of content copy issue. 2, using the exhausting the crawl budget. 3, you have multiple extra. I mean, why we are having this pile of URLs? No need. Simply, I don't like the tag. I mean, you can comment down your strategy. Like, are you really using the category and tag URLs in benefit? Oh God, there are so many. Cool. So yeah, that was the end of the content strategy as well. The point which you are missing here are like they need some schema tags for news and long formatted content, pillar strategy they can implement. Right now they are not getting any traffic on the blog pages. They can write a little bit more detailed kind of blog. And also, who's stopping you from again and again removing the job listing part? Just make a draft and redact them to some other category page. I mean, at that time you need to use the category page. You are not using at that time in the site when you are using the tag in category pages. What's the logic? Okay, that was all from my side. Thank you. If you like it, please don't forget to like and subscribe. One more thing. If you want me to audit your website in terms of the technical part, content part, or just social or just normal digital marketing audit, let me know. You can text me, you can comment in the whatever, do the needful. Just give me a text and I will audit the website you mentioned. Thank you so much.